Afternoon, guys. It's 4 p.m. and 29 degrees, which is quite cool, so that's a bonus. Anyway, the containers come tomorrow, so we've had to do a new route plan for the containers coming in, because the city had a cunning plan with which to thwart us, and they decided to start concreting the road outside our house, but instead of starting where they'd finished, they started at the end. But that's the Philippines for you. And there's a wee salute. So yeah, so the new plan is to bring the containers up this road. I'll show you just shortly. I've got my labouring posse team with me. So we brought in a 10-ton roller today. Roller come compactor. Manoy's saying yes. So the containers are going to come up here.
Yeah.
They're going to turn into here. And as you know, the compactor just came down here. So this will be good enough for the crane and the containers tomorrow, as long as the rain stays away. So let's see what happens tonight, eh? So I'll then come onto this road. They'll come straight down here. There's a truck ban from 5 a.m. till 9 a.m. so there's no movement on the roads until 9. So we're hoping that the containers will be here at 12 at the latest. So you see the little boy take a dive. Change. So along here, the boys have cleared this. We've brought in gravel. We've compacted it, so there's a good turn here for the trucks to come in. And they'll come round here. So the boys have had a really busy day. Boys have had a busy day. They're now backfilling up to where the containers are going. You see what they're doing.
Bye.
Nice to see you on a shovel. So the boys are now backfilling, and that's where the boys are walking up to now. That's the finished level. So the containers will come round here. Tight turn to negotiate, but that's not our trash, that's the residents' trash. They can't be asked taking it to where it should go, but it's been reported. So we've got a bit of a tight turn. That's Jerry Nora Inland Resort. I'll show you that. And the crane is going to be situated on this pad here. So the faraway container will come in first. That's a 20-footer. And then we're going to have the 40-foot and the 40-foot. So the boys have got a bit of work to do tonight and tomorrow morning before the containers arrive. So I'll just take you to show you there's Layla and Jen. She's wondering where I'm going. So I'll just show you where the Inland Resort is. It's called Jerry-Nor. That's it there. And that's how close it is to the house. To be honest, we don't use it. If we go to a resort inland, it's, we've got another couple, Andy Patterson's and Elsa's, Bella wants here. Layla thinks she's missing out on something. So basically guys, that's it. So, say good afternoon, Jennifer.
Hello, hello, hello.
Okay, she's not going to say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Say good afternoon, Benoit. No, he's gone shy. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, they're both my bodyguards, yes. Hi guys, stay safe, listen to the government, don't listen to the government, don't really care. Tatty bye.